Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern, hyper-realistic interior courtyard scene featuring a sleek and stylish design. The setting showcases a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, with large glass walls allowing natural light to flood the rooms. A tranquil, rectangular pool occupies the center, surrounded by lush greenery and potted plants. The left area depicts a minimalist bedroom with a cozy bed adorned with neutral-toned bedding and an orange accent pillow, next to artistic decor on the walls. Modern minimalist house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring large glass windows and concrete exteriors. The scene captures a serene evening ambience with warm orange and soft yellow lights illuminating the interior. A reflecting pool sits in front of the house, surrounded by neatly arranged wooden decking and vibrant landscaping. The setting includes various plants and small trees, enhancing the natural feel. Modern house exterior with a sleek design, large glass windows reflecting soft golden light, surrounded by lush greenery and trees, serene pond in front with lily pads, natural stone elements, warm wooden accents, ambient lighting, tranquil atmosphere, hyper-realistic style, dusk setting with muted colors and a slight mist for a dreamy effect, focus on harmony between architecture and nature, inviting outdoor seating with vibrant cushions, rich textures in landscaping, gentle ripples in the water adding a sense of calm. Modern lakeside home with a green roof, surrounded by lush greenery and plants, reflecting a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. The house features large floor-to-ceiling windows illuminated from within, showcasing a warm, inviting interior with minimalist decor. A serene lake glistens in the background, under a soft, overcast sky that adds a tranquil atmosphere. The color palette includes deep greens, earthy browns, and warm amber tones from the interior lighting. Landscape elements like stone steps lead up to the entrance, and small decorative boulders are scattered throughout the garden. A serene and modern wooden cabin nestled in a lush garden during autumn, featuring large glass walls that blend seamlessly with the surrounding nature. The scene is illuminated by a warm, inviting glow from the interior, showcasing a cozy living space with minimalist decor. Outside, vibrant yellow and orange leaves contrast against the deep green foliage, reflecting softly in the tranquil pond, where smooth stones and delicate plants are scattered. Modern minimalist architecture, featuring a spacious, open-plan home with large glass walls, allowing natural light to flow in. The setting includes a tranquil Japanese-style garden with meticulously arranged stone pathways leading to a stone-paved patio adorned with plush seating and vibrant cushions. Soft earthy tones dominate the interior and exterior, contrasted by the lush green foliage and carefully placed rocks in the landscape. The scene is illuminated with a warm yet diffused glow, highlighting the clean lines and textures of the concrete walls and wooden accents. A serene courtyard escape within a tropical setting, showcasing a beautiful blend of architectural styles reminiscent of colonial influences, featuring brightly painted, warm orange walls adorned with lush green foliage. The scene is set under soft, diffused lighting, simulating a gentle rain, enhancing the rich texture of the cobblestone floor. Two wicker sofas with vibrant orange cushions flank a dark glass coffee table at the center, surrounded by abundant tropical plants. The background reveals wooden balconies with intricate railings overlooking the courtyard, while vintage lanterns cast a warm glow, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere. Modern, minimalist glass and wood house with lush greenery surrounding it, warm inviting atmosphere, large windows showcasing an interior with stylish furniture and decorative plants, wooden deck with a cozy seating area and soft lighting, set in a serene garden with stone pathways and varied foliage, juxtaposition of natural elements and contemporary architecture, early evening light casting gentle shadows, muted earth tones complemented by fresh greens, impressionistic aesthetic capturing tranquil harmony between the home and nature. Cozy outdoor lounge area featuring two large, woven rattan sofas with plush white cushions, a round woven coffee table at the center, surrounded by lush tropical plants and greenery, soft natural sunlight filtering through leaves, warm earthy tones complemented by hints of vibrant green, a serene and inviting atmosphere, hyper-realistic style, showcasing textures of rattan and fabric, with a smooth concrete floor and a light stone wall in the background, creating a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. Cozy outdoor living space of an inviting rustic home with an open patio, featuring a blend of earthy textures and vibrant colors. The structure showcases warm, weathered stone walls with a clay tile roof, surrounded by lush greenery and potted plants. Inside, large glass doors reveal a comfortable interior filled with artistic decorations, framed pictures, and soft lighting. The outdoor area is adorned with rich, patterned rugs and cushions in tones of blue and yellow, creating a relaxed atmosphere. Cozy rustic cottage nestled in a tranquil garden setting during autumn, featuring a charming terracotta roof and wooden window frames, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant fall foliage. The scene is illuminated by warm golden light spilling from windows, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Pathways made of terracotta tiles and pebbles weave through potted plants, giving a sense of harmony with nature. A slight mist adds a mystical quality, enhancing the impressionistic aesthetics with soft, blurred edges. A modern, stylish house nestled in a lush, green forest, surrounded by vibrant foliage and tall trees. The architecture features large glass windows that reflect the natural surroundings, with a sleek black exterior and warm wooden accents.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.